Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XDC from Revolut to Uphold in 2025. If you're looking to move your Fin coins smoothly between these platforms, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but as with any crypto transfer, it's crucial to double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive in. First off, why would you want to transfer XDC? Maybe you're diversifying your portfolio or taking advantage of Uphold's features for staking or trading. Whatever your reason, we'll get you set up in no time. Before we start, make sure you have a few things ready: an active Revolut account with XDC in it, a verified Uphold account, and the exact XDC wallet address from Uphold. Oh, and always keep an eye on network fees, they can add up. Step 1. Log into your Revolut app or website. Navigate to your crypto section and select your XDC balance. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right there on the main screen. Step 2. Enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer. Remember, Revolut might have minimum withdrawal limits, so check that first to avoid any surprises. Next, you'll need to input the recipient's wallet address. Head over to your Uphold account, go to your XDC wallet, and copy the address. Paste it carefully into Revolut. Double check for any typos, as that could send your funds into the void. Step 3. Review the transaction details. You'll see the network fee, estimated time, and total amount. If everything looks good, hit Confirm. Revolut will process the transfer, which typically takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Now, once it's sent, jump back to Uphold. Check your XDC wallet there. It should show up shortly. If it doesn't, don't panic. Give it some time and verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer like XDC Explorer. A quick tip: always use the XDC network for this transfer to keep fees low. And remember, crypto is volatile, so only transfer what you're comfortable with losing. There you have it. That's how you seamlessly move XDC from Revolut to Uphold in 2025. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next one.